Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today is March 30th, 2020. We're gonna do a quick snack. This is a Filipino dish. I don't know the name of this dish. I pretty much got this dish when I was in the Philippines. So we're gonna go with what I have here. So we're gonna be doing a quick Spam dish. Now, if you lived in Hawaii or you from the Philippines, Guam, you know a lot about Spam. So most people in the South eat Spam. I think a lot of people eat Spam. Spam is very popular. This is a quick recipe. I would call this I wouldn't say a poor man's meal, but it's more like a sober up or a survival meal. Everybody got Spam. You can find different types of Spam. I'm using hickory smoke flavor. It's pretty good. So the ingredients that we're gonna be using is gonna be Spam. And you can use any kind of Spam. You're gonna need a lemon. You can use 2 lemons if you want. And you're gonna need some crushed red peppers. Just some dried up crushed red peppers. And I'm going to use Ritz crackers. So if you want to use saltine crackers, you can. I prefer Ritz crackers myself. So to get started, and just before we get started, this meal here, it does have some healing qualities. It's like a natural food without the Spam, but that's going to be okay. These crushed peppers here can help you with some digestion, and lemons got their own nutritional value. Ritz crackers, probably nothing. But anyway, we're going to get started. So to get started with this meal, oh, I forgot to tell you guys also, you're going to need an onion. You want to get you a nice yellow onion, and we're going to work with these ingredients here. And like I said, Spam is something most people don't eat. I wasn't a Spam eater myself. And again, being in Hawaii, being in the Philippines and Guam, Spam is very, very popular. So to get started, before I do that, let me wash my hands. You gotta remember, wash those hands every chance you get. I almost forgot, but it's a habit now. But I washed it before I even did this video. So anyway, you want to take this Spam out this can here. You're going to need a nice sharp knife. This knife is very sharp, so be careful when you cut anything with a sharp knife. You don't want to lose any fingers. I like to cut this Spam in half. And I cut it down, slice off pieces. And this is really simple. And I know some people don't eat Spam. Some people fry their Spam. There's all types of ways to cook Spam. So once I got this all cut up, I can take maybe 2 pieces here. And you're just gonna cut it again, just slice them. You can do this any way you want. The object of this recipe is you want to get these Spam cuts into cubes. So that's what we want. We want some cubes. And you're going to see why this is important. And probably going to try a different method after this first cut. But anyway, just to let you see, these are just, you want them in small little cubes like this. And that's pretty simple. You don't want long pieces. Now your cubes can be any size. Some people like thicker cubes. I've seen this being prepared before. And for me, the smaller the better because you get more out of it. So we're going to do it like this here. I'm just going to cut them again and get me a little bit more. Working smarter, not harder. You have your extra bowl. And once you get a lot on your plate, you just want to put those cubes in a nice dish. You can use a plate. Sometimes you might got some. See, I didn't get those pieces there. Let's get that all mixed in. This is more like an island happy snack. Um, Spam is one of those meals that you need to keep in your pantry because it does last a little bit. So, there you go. I'm gonna get those pieces all cut up. And you can actually double cut these. I'm gonna cut another piece here. Now I started doing this, I think last week, maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago. And the boys enjoy these meals. Most of these meals that I'm preparing, I either got from the military or travel or just by meeting different people, different cultures. You can learn a lot when it comes to talking to people, being invited to people's gatherings. You may find some special dishes, and it may be a dish that, you know, it's pretty tasty. So when you find those dishes, always ask the person that prepared it, how did they make that? As you can see, I got these all cut up. Now I would say, is this spam, is it raw? Is it uncooked? I really don't know. It smells like luncheon meat, ham, whatever, it's pork. So people eat ham straight from the deli. Some people fry it, you can bake it. But this particular spam here, I'm sure you can eat it straight out the can. Okay, so we got that spam all chopped up, looking real good, as you can see. Now once you got that, put that to the side, and now you want to get this onion chopped up. Make sure you get that onion peeled real good. Sometimes you have that extra layer. We're going to take this layer off. We don't want this layer. We want that fresh stuff. All right. And I'm going to just cut this onion. I want cubes as well. We want to get this cubed up. This knife is super sharp too, so I'm nowhere a chef, but I know I'm not going to cut myself because I'm being very careful. Anyway, so once you got your onion all chopped, let the knife do all the work for you. Now I do know you can put these in the blender, but I wouldn't put them in a blender because it's gonna like get it all minced up. You want it like it's squared. And the reason behind that is, and you're gonna see with that chopped onion being in cubes like this, you want to get that flavor. So when you bite into one of these spoonful of Happy Spam Delight, you get a taste of that onion, and you get some spam. So I'm just cutting it up. I've been eating this, I don't know. I might eat this like once a month just to, you know, remember that flavor, because it's a flavor in this and it's very addictive. Once you have one serving of this, or just you try one of these, you're definitely gonna want to keep eating. It's one of those things. I had someone try this before who's never eaten spam. They actually say they're not a spam eater. They wouldn't eat this. So I said, just give it a shot. And I tell you, when they tried it, they were like, man, that's good. As I told you. So don't judge a book by its cover. Or like they say, don't knock it till you try it. So you have to try it first. All right, so you got all that. Good to go. We're going to put that in. So we're going to dump all this in here. We're going to mix all this up. Real simple. This is a real simple meal. Once you got it all mixed in there, you want to mix this all up. Oh man, making a mess. See that? Get it all mixed in there. All right, so we got that. Now, the next item you're gonna need is your lemon. I'm using 2 lemons here. You just wanna cut your lemon in half. And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna squeeze that lemon in there. You want that juice. For some reason, when I first tried this, I didn't understand what the lemon juice is for. That lemon juice is gonna neutralize that onion and that Spam. The acid in this lemon. See, I'm getting all that in there. Even some of the pulp. I'm getting it all squeezed in. Trying to squeeze all of it out. You can use lemon juice too, but fresh lemons are much better. Make sure you don't have any seeds in there either. You want to take those seeds out. You don't want to bite into a seed. See that? Get that all squeezed in. And you want to mix that up. I did see one seed. Take care of that one. I'm gonna use one more lemon to be on the safe side because I want to have that tangy flavor. Yep, that was gone. Stuff is slippery. I'll get a couple bloopers, man. This, like when I'm doing this, something might fall on the floor. I might hit my hand or whatever, but don't worry. It's okay. This is a live cooking show. If you catch any seeds in there, you want to take those seeds out before you serve this. All right, so that's all mixed up. Looking good and it's smelling good. I don't smell any onions or anything. Last ingredient is the crushed red peppers. You're going to need a lot of these in there. And I know it may look like there's a lot, but yeah, it's not like you're going to be eating all of them at once, but you want to get all that mixed in there. And to be honest with you, that's not even enough. But it depends on how, if you like it spicy, it's up to you. You're going to need a little bit more. These crushed red peppers got some great healing properties. With the digestion issues, start putting some of this in your food. And that's pretty much it. This is it. Like I said, I've tried this in the Philippines. I've had this in Hawaii. I don't know what it's called. To me, it's almost like a ceviche. But there's no seafood in here. Just Spam, onions, red pepper, and lemon. So that's pretty much it. We're done with that. Let me get this out of my way. And like I said, this is one of those meals that you can have at a party or just have for the kids. If they want to try something different, I know the onions may be scary for some kids, but onions are good for you. So now you can keep this refrigerated for a couple days, keep it covered up. But most of the time, this doesn't last the whole day. Not in my family. My boys like to eat this stuff as soon as I make it. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit on the side. I'm gonna try one myself. And here's how you eat this. So you just want to get your spoon and your cracker, and you just want to put a little bit on there. If you can get it packed on, that's even better. Like that. See that? I've been trying to go with these presentations lately. But this is a very addictive meal. I can't believe I tried this so late in life. I had no clue this existed, this type of recipe. Spam recipe, actually. Look at us. See all that onion goodness. Look at all that. Oh, that's good. That looks good. Put that on the side. So here it is. Here is my Spam, onions, lemon juice, red chili peppers. This is a quick snack. Now I'm about to try one of these, but before I do, I gotta make sure I got a nice cold beverage to go with that. We're gonna get that going. Since this is an island type meal, got that Jamaican red stripe, so that's going to actually make it taste even better. And again, this is for one of those meals. Get it nice. Look how cold this glass is. But hey guys, y'all stay safe. Continue practicing social distancing. Wash your hands, wear your mask, do whatever you have to do. You don't want to get sick. You don't want to be healthy. So here it is, guys. Once again, Spam. This right here, I will call this my $1 million Spam dish. If you want to try this, or you know the name of this, please let me know. Drop me a message so I can know what this recipe's called. I don't know. I just call it Spam. So we're going to try one. And when you eat this, you put the whole thing in your mouth. You don't waste time trying to just take a bite. That's the purpose of this. That's why it's on the Ritz. Hands down. I told you guys. Man, got a savory taste to it. It's addictive. That's good. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will be doing more. If you got any recipe ideas you want me to try, just shoot me a line. I'll be trying different things. But again, y'all have a blessed day.